Welcome to Kids Grab and Go Kaleidoscope. First, with your paper, you'll wrap it around the tube using the tape. Be sure to secure it on the inside, roll it around the tube, and complete it on the outside, securing it with tape straight across. Put that to the side and grab out the 3 rectangle pieces that look like mirrors. You'll notice that they have a film on them. Carefully peel off each of the pieces of film. Once you have taken the protective film off of each of the rectangle pieces of mirror, you'll want to flip them over. Once they're flipped over, put them together and you'll want to secure them with some tape. Each panel should be connected to each other. To be sure it was secure, I not only connected it across one way, I went across the opposite direction as well. Now, making it into a triangle, secure your rooftop of the final edge. This should be slid inside of your paper tube, so the mirror is on the inside. Be pretty neat to see all the different angles of that mirror in just a moment. Let's create the wheel. This can be lots of fun. I have given you some mini stickers and markers, so go ahead and make any kind of designs, lines, shapes, dots, stars. Of course, the stickers will be great help too. You can also experiment with some words as well. Stripes kind of are fun, and it's your own combination, so have fun with it. You'll also find a straw where I have cut part of the end off. You're going to want to secure the longer end onto the tube, making the bend of the straw be right at the edge. This is so you can secure your wheel onto the end. The wheel should stay loose so that you can twist it and look inside. Pretty cool. Design the back of your wheel if you'd like to make some more designs. I hope you liked it. Your own Kaleidoscope.